Scotty.
Hi.
Hi, I'm recording a video.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No.
Okay. So we won. Tell the story, Scotty.
Okay. So there's this ping pong pool thing where you click it and you have to hit it, throw a ping pong ball, and you have to make it into a little cup. It was really hard. Okay. We spent 2 times and then we left, and then we got another bucket. It was in like the first 10. I won this one for Marcella. I love her.
Say that again?
Because I love her. And then she won, because I was going to give it to someone else, the bucket, but she was like, nah. So, she continued, and like 10 more later, she won this one for me, because she loves me, right?
Oh, am I supposed to answer that truthfully? Yes, I love him.
And that's
now we have 2 Care Bears who are currently on a wet table, chilling out in the rain at Kennywood.